Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Power on the Roku and confirm it's connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Next, make sure the Roku software is updated so the YouTube app can install. Once done, check the model supports the app and have your Google credentials ready to sign in. This unlocks personalized content. If you plan to cast, make sure your phone is on the same network. Begin installing the YouTube channel from the channel store immediately to keep momentum. Open the channel store, search for YouTube, and tap Add Channel. The app will download. Launch it when finished. You can sign in directly on the TV or choose pairing. Go to YouTube. .com/activate on a phone or PC, enter the 6-digit code displayed, and complete authentication. Once signed in, configure playback settings such as 4K or 1080p in captions, and set autoplay preferences. Make sure casting is enabled if you'll use your phone to control videos. Then test playback to confirm everything works. Finish by testing search, playback, subscriptions, and casting from your phone. Make sure the remote responds smoothly. If videos buffer or stutter, reboot the Roku, run a speed test, and move the router closer or switch to Ethernet. Reduced network congestion often fixes streaming issues. If sign-in or pairing fails, verify your Google password, remove any stale device entries in account security, and repeat the activate process with the fresh 6-digit code. Those steps resolve most common problems and get YouTube running reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.